Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by nailing who you speak to and what they need. That shapes every post. Pick 1 to 3 audience segments and list their top problems. Once done, create 3 content pillars: value, proof, and call to action, and map which pillar each post will serve. Make sure to draft 5 short thread prompts and 3 accompanying visuals so you never stall. This gets you immediate momentum and keeps posts focused on solving real problems, not just broadcasting noise. You now execute. Write each thread with a punchy hook, 2 to 4 actionable steps, proof or example, and a clear CTA. Use concise sentences and lead with the benefit so readers stay. Once you have drafts, pair a visual for one in every 2 or 3 threads and insert a quoted stat or mini case to boost credibility. Then schedule 3 threads per week, test different posting times, and track click-through and save rates to know what resonates and why. You finish by measuring and optimizing. After 2 weeks, review CTR, saves, replies, and follower change to see which threads moved people. Then iterate, tighten hooks, move the CTA earlier or later, and shift posting times, double down on top performers, and recycle formats that worked. If engagement suddenly drops, a /B test new hooks and shorten threads, refresh visuals, or reframe the offer. This troubleshooting loop ensures
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.